In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Proton VPN all locations. If you've opened Proton VPN and noticed that not every server location is available, don't worry, that's normal. Proton VPN offers a mix of free and paid server locations, so if you want access to the full list of countries, you'll need to upgrade to the correct plan and make sure you're signed in properly on the app or browser extension. To get started, open the official Proton VPN website. Once you're there, look for the pricing or upgrade section. This is where Proton shows the different subscription options and what each one includes. If your goal is to unlock all available locations, this step is important because the free version does not include the complete server list. Take a moment to review the plans so you know exactly what you're getting before you continue. Next, choose the paid plan called VPN Plus. This is the plan that gives you access to the full range of server locations. After selecting it, click the upgrade option and complete the subscription process. Depending on how you're setting things up, you may be asked to sign into your account first or confirm your payment details during checkout. Just follow the prompts on the screen and make sure the upgrade is fully completed before moving on. Once your plan has been upgraded, open Proton VPN on the device you want to use. This could be the desktop app, mobile app, or the Chrome extension if that's what you prefer. Sign in using the same account that you just upgraded. This part matters because the app or extension needs to recognize that your account now includes VPN Plus access. If you were already signed in before upgrading, it can help to close and reopen the app or extension so it refreshes your account status properly. After you're logged in with the upgraded account, all available countries should now appear in the server list. At that point, you'll be able to browse and connect to the full set of locations included with your plan. If you still don't see everything right away, make sure you're signed into the correct account and that the upgrade has been applied successfully. In many cases, simply refreshing the app, signing out and back in, or updating the extension resolves the issue. And that's it. Once you upgrade to VPN Plus and log in correctly, you should have access to all Proton VPN locations available under your plan.